Expand and simplify this triple brackets. By the way, you can decide the order in which to multiply them. Like you could multiply the second two together first, because then you wouldn't get any negatives. There are sometimes advantages to swapping it around. You could even multiply the first and the third together if you wanted to. I will just go with what you're probably likely to have done and multiply the first two first. So just basically forget about the x plus 4 for a minute. 5 minus x times 2x plus 3. Use crab claw method, so 10x plus 15 minus 2x squared minus 3x. So that becomes minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 15. Okay, now I can bring this together, so it's actually going to be minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 15 multiplied by x plus 4. Okay, we just do it one step at a time. Don't start just drawing links between all of them. It will inevitably be wrong. Because now we do the same sort of approach here, but it's kind of like super crab claw method. So I'm going to times minus 2x squared by x and 4. That will give me minus 2x cubed minus 8x squared. And then 7x times x, so plus 7x squared. 7x times 4 plus 28x. Running out of room, but okay. And then I've got like when I say crab claw, it's because it looks like a little crab. Now I've got a crab with kind of 3 claws. So I'm going to do 15 times x, 15x, and then finally 15 times 4. So 60. Just need to combine the like terms together. It's going to give me my final answer. I'm going to put it down here. Minus 2x cubed, dealt with that. And then I've got 2x squared terms. That's going to give me minus x squared. 28 plus 15 will give me 43x, and then plus 60. There we go. Now, a tricky making C the subject question, because we've got C on the numerator and the denominator. You could straight away multiply through by 4 plus C. You'd have to multiply the left-hand side by 4 plus C and the right-hand side, which means you would have to times that minus 7 by 4 plus C. Probably going to be easiest to add 7 to both sides first. So G plus 7 equals C plus 3 times 4 plus C. Now multiply through by 4 plus C. Expand this bracket for G plus CG plus 28 plus 7C is equal to C plus 3. And then I want C to just be on one side. So what I can do is minus C from both sides, and then minus 4G and minus 28. So CG plus 6C, because 7C minus C is just 6C, is equal to minus 4G minus 25, because I do 3 minus 28. The reason I've done that is that now I can factorize out the C. So this is just a topic to practice if you're having trouble. It is a tough rearranging one, but it kind of crops up quite a lot. So just, first time you see it, you might think, what? Do I do that? But after you've done it a while, you sort of realize, right, because it's on the bottom, times through, get C on one side, factorize it, it will all work out. Negative, which is a little bit awkward, but hey, that's what happens. So C is going to be minus 4G minus 25 over G plus 6. I'm going to write my answer like that. Absolutely fine. You could alternatively factorize the minus out and then have 4G plus 25 on top and then G plus 6 on the bottom. Like that's actually slightly neater, but this would be okay as well.